Hello everyone, welcome to ElectricPetrolhead. I'm Andy and we are here in my
Tesla.
And which model is it?
Model S.
That's the one. This is a mid 2018 car. It's got something called Teslacam, but I've also got a pair of Goluk dash cameras which I had installed. And you might look at that and think it's a bit pointless, but what I thought I could do in this video is I'll compare the two camera feeds, and I'll show you the reason that I still think it's worth having external cameras. And you know, if you are set in Sentry and you are using dash cams, then obviously you know you want to be recording all the time, and having two just gives you that extra fail safe as well. So I'm just going to take you for a little drive. We're going to head into Milton Keynes, go around a little bit. I'll take you to a shopping area, so we do some sort of 60-70 mile an hour driving, and then also some really slow driving around car parks. We'll compare the two differences. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, so here's a Teslacam, just approaching one of the 130 roundabouts in Milton Keynes. You can still see the the number plates clearly enough, but it's a bit sort of green and a bit basic. The big advantage is you do get these side repeater feeds, and now you get the rear cam as well, which for a while you didn't. So you can see signs, you can see number plates, but only when they're close. Whereas this is the Goluk feed. You can see it's a lot clearer. You can read the number plates a lot sooner. It's a better picture. It's all going around the same roundabout. It's hopefully quite a good comparison for you to sort of see the main differences. But the downside of the Goluk is obviously you've just got the front and rear cameras. You can fit side ones if you wanted to. Now we've come into a little shopping area here just to sort of show you a bit of sort of slower sort of driving, and here's the Teslacam again. It's fine, and the fact it's built into the car is fantastic. But it's harder to read the number plates, and the picture's a little bit blurrier, and it's got that weird tinge, it's a sort of green tinge. Petrol station. Don't use those very much anymore. It's always funny when you see a big queue at a petrol station. It's like, yeah, you're waiting to fill up your car. But I don't wait to fill up my electric cars. And now we're going to go back through the same route, but using the feed from the Goluk professional camera. And as you can see, these number plates are a lot more visible earlier on. And fundamentally, you're buying these cameras or using these cameras as an insurance policy, so that if your car got hit or something happened, you've got a very clear image of what happened. And the Goluk cameras also have a motion sensor. So when you park, it goes into what's called like a parking mode. And the camera will record if someone comes close to the car. So in a similar way to Sentry. The advantage of this is it doesn't drain the battery as quickly as Sentry does, because Sentry does rinse through battery quite quickly. But again, it's just having them both is worthwhile in my opinion. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. As always, comment below if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. In the description, you'll find a link to David's company who fits the Goluk cameras, and he is fantastic. He's a Tesla owner himself, and he really knows these cars inside out. And what's the most important thing?
Subscribe.
And what else?
Thumbs up. Thumbs up and subscribe.
She knows it. That's what you got to do. You can't say no to a 4-year-old, can you? Anyway, have a lovely day, and hopefully see you on another video soon. Bye.